We saw the K20 Pro take on the OnePlus 7 and well, we all know how that speed test went. The result was surprising to say the least. And if you've not checked it out yet, here's a card. Go to that now. Now, today in this video, let's see how the K20 Pro fares when it's pitted against the iPhone XS Max. Will there be an upset? Will the XS Max reign supreme? Let's find out. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and if you end up finding this video interesting, please consider turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So guys, here's how our speed tests go. 2 rounds with 2 laps each. First some casual games and some light apps, followed by some heavier games and graphic intense games aimed at testing out the CPU as well as GPU. Of course, the second lap of each round is RAM management. Both phones are connected to the same wireless network and they have no apps running in the background. So let's now go ahead, start the stopwatch. Opening up Temple Run 2. Right off the bat, the XS Max takes the initial lead. The K20 Pro snatches the lead, opening Dropbox. The XS Max is loading up Feedly and the K20 Pro already has a 1-app lead over it. Both phones are now loading Super Mario Run. The K20 Pro finishes the round in 37 seconds. The XS Max takes about 4 seconds more. After RAM management, both phones have all apps in memory and the K20 Pro finishes the test in 50 seconds while the iPhone takes about 3 seconds more. Let's check if the results change with a more intense test. So for this more intense round, we've added a few more apps and more demanding games. We're also going to be rendering a video using the Video Shop app. We are using the same clip on both phones and keeping it all ready to render. Let's now go ahead and start the stopwatch again. Opening up PUBG Mobile. The iPhone is blazing fast here and takes a huge lead. Is the K20 Pro fast enough to catch up with the iPhone? Let's see. The K20 Pro is slowly gaining on the XS Max. Both phones are loading up Super Mario Run. And the XS Max opens it faster. With Hotstar, the K20 Pro actually takes the lead. Moving on to rendering, the K20 Pro keeps its lead. And the K20 Pro finishes the test in 1 minute and 15 seconds. That is pretty amazing since the A12 Bionic on the iPhone is one of the fastest mobile chips around. Redmi has done a good job here. And the XS Max finishes the round in 1 minute and 24 seconds. After RAM management, and the K20 Pro is already halfway through the list. The K20 Pro finishes the test in 1 minute and 33 seconds. The XS Max is well still opening up apps. And finishes the test in 1 minute and 42 seconds. It is worth noting that both phones have all the apps in memory. Let's now boot the phones to check boot timings before wrapping up. So Redmi seems to have done well here. The K20 Pro is really fast and snappy. It's a quick phone and speed is something Redmi seems to have nailed down. Anyway, what else do you want to see with the Redmi K20 Pro? What other kind of videos would you want to see me shoot? Let me know in the comments below and I will try to get them done. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Were you surprised with the results? Again, let me know in the comments. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.